Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on your Mac. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. Let's say I want to create a new folder directly on the desktop. If you're using a mouse, simply right-click anywhere on the desktop. A menu will appear and you'll see the option New Folder. Click on it, and a new folder will be created instantly. If you're using a trackpad on a MacBook, you can press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then click once on the trackpad. This will bring up the same menu where you can select New Folder. Once the folder is created, you can name it anything you like. For example, I'll name this one Apps. Just type the name and hit Return to save it. Now if you want to manage the folder, just right-click on it, or use the Control-click method again. From the menu, you can rename it, duplicate it to make a copy, or assign a color tag. For instance, if I select the blue tag, a small blue dot will appear next to the folder name. You can also delete the folder by choosing Move to Trash from the menu. It will be moved to your trash, and from there, you can permanently delete it if needed. And that's how you can easily create, name, and manage folders on your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.